Welcome to Road Adventure Photos. Today's photos will be of Ashland County, Ohio. There are photos I took as part of my Ohio County project where I photograph 88 counties by spending one day in each county. This one was from all the way back in 2004, and we go to Mohican Forest, Ashland, Ohio, and some other rural areas in the county. This is a scene from the Mohegan River. It's a foggy morning, and I really didn't expect to see canoeists, but here they came. And I doubt these came from the livery. These probably are just private canoes, and even in the cold, people take a trip right down the river and don't worry about the dangers of the cold. But it was fun to watch them. Everybody was having a great time on them. I just don't know how you do that without tipping them. I'm not that good. Mohican State Park is full of water, recreation with the river, and there's also a lot of wilderness with hiking trails, some scenic overviews, and it's a fun area to spend some time. But for today, that wasn't really my focus, so I just hit some of the highlights of the covered bridge and the lookout. But I highly suggest going and just enjoying the day there. It's just nothing major there. The river's pretty shallow. The overlooks are not over super high cliffs or anything. It's just a enjoyable small venue that's close to most central Ohioans. And there was some good photo opportunities there. The next stop was Charles Mills Lake, and they had these little speedboats. I've never seen little ones like that before. But they had those, and they had these pontoon boats. Everything was buttoned up for wintertime. But it's just a small horsepower lake, so this was all you've seen that was allowed. I just like the way the calm water and things were for the day to take these photos. I like the patterns and things. We went on and took some rural shots. There's a lot of Amish in the area, a lot of cattle, livestock. Just your usual northeastern Ohio views that you'd be very common with the Holmes County area and the Wayne County area with the Amish. The Amish population there definitely isn't as many, but it gives the same feel when you ride through the back roads of the area. Early on, I learned that Ohio is agriculture. Sure, there's plenty of industry and big cities, but the vast majority is this beautiful landscape and tapestry of fields and agricultural buildings and waterways that all kind of meld together in a way that's uniquely Ohio. And it took me a while to catch on to exactly how to photograph it. Ashland, Ohio, I should have spent more time in. It's one of those places that I got to get back to. But there are abandoned factories there for people that are into doing those types of explorations. There's plenty on YouTube. I didn't go in and explore this building, but I found it really interesting. I'm not even sure what was there before it closed down. Another reason I've got to get back. I hope you enjoyed the photos. Previous videos like this were heavily criticized for not being thorough enough on the county. So again, these These are not documentaries of any county in Ohio. These are simply a visit with pictures I took while I was there. I hope you enjoyed them. Thank you. Until next time, visit roadadventurephotos.com to see what I'm working on. Goodbye.